And God said, let there be light, honey. Hey guys, it's your girl, Miss Eagle. Welcome back, Eagle Empire. Coming at you guys today with a light review. So I was going to do these videos separate, but why not combine them in two? I've had a Neewer ring light for a very long time, but I left it in Orlando the last time I went. So your girl needed to buy a new ring light because I don't know when the next time I'm driving up to Orlando. I decided to get the Sunpak 19-inch bicolor LED ring light kit from Best Buy. There you go. It comes with the stand, light system bag, ball head, smartphone adapter, AC adapter, accessory storage pouch, and the mount. And then I also have this studio light from Amazon. So if you want to see more of this video and see how it turns out, tune in. Okay, so first we're going to open this LED ring light. So let's open this up. Pouch and instructions. Okay, so here's the pouch that came with the ring light. Let's see what's inside. Alright, so we have the cell phone adapter. The camera adapter. And the obviously the power adapter to have everything set up. There's that. Now, as far as this ring light goes, so far, it's like super duper lightweight. It doesn't feel anything like my Neewer light I used to have before I left it in Orlando. But first things first, like I said, it feels really lightweight. Let's take it out the wrapper. So this is it. Boop. Okay. And then in this white box, I'm guessing it's a stand for it, which it is. So when I come back, the ring light will be set up and we'll see how it looks with ring light. Okay, so I've taken my camera off my camera tripod. I set up the ring light. It literally took me like 5 minutes. It's super duper duper easy. So there's that. Now I'm going to get rid of this natural light and really see how this ring light works. You guys ready? Okay, so right now my blinds are closed. There's actually no light besides my candle in the back. It's about 6 p.m. here, so it's still kind of a light, you know, through the blinds, but very, very little light. So let's get right into it. Let's see what the Sunpak ring light does. So I'm just gonna turn it on. Ooh. Ew. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh my God. Y'all, this light is fire. Like, it's better than my Neewer light. I have to say it. Now, I'm not really, you know, into the specs of each light, but I know that the one that I had was a very old version. It wasn't the updated Neewer light, so that's the disclaimer I'll throw out there before saying that. But this is just turning the light on. So turning it on, and then it's two like notches on the ring light. So let's mess with the other one back here. Ooh. So this one gives it a little warm tone. And you can, ooh, chocolate. Okay, I love it. So you can make it like super duper warm. You just turn the knob down. So this is like, I think like the warmest it goes. I'm gonna keep just slightly turning it down to see how it is. So let's do that. Oh, it goes more. Okay, so this is actually the warmest it goes as far as the lighting. It almost looked like, you know, gold actually. So yeah, this is the warmest setting on it. And then this is the brightest, which gives it like this blue type cool vibe. And like I said, this is no natural lighting is in my place right now. It's just the ring light. So, and then back to warm. And I am shooting with a Sony 5100 camera. So if you have this camera, this is probably what this light is going to look like for you. So, so really I like it on the warmer side right here. But I guess it just depends on, you know, what you're shooting, what time of the day that you're shooting. Because you might want a cooler type tone, or you want to dim it down. So far I'm in love with this light. I'm so glad that it was easy to put together. I didn't even read the instructions. It's very simple. Like I said, it does have the camera adapter and the phone adapter that you can put smack dead in the middle. My other light, that's what I'm saying, like I think my Neewer light, I got it like 5-6 years ago. So I knew it wasn't the updated one, but it didn't have that feature. I know the newer ones do have that. The only reason why I did get the Sunpak instead of the Neewer ring, because I was going to Amazon it, but it said that it was going to take a week to get here. I don't know if it was because of COVID with Prime. So then I just went on Best Buy, typed it in, and I found this one, looked up some reviews, and I loved it. So it is a 19-inch Sunpak. So let's compare it to the Sunbox lights from Amazon. All right, so now we are going to open my studio box lights. I'm just gonna check real quick to see which ones I actually ordered off of Amazon. I know there is a lot of studio box lights on Amazon. Like I said, I will have the link below of the ones that I personally got. So I got two. These are actually Neewer. So Neewer, still shout out to you. I still love you guys. So these are the Neewer 700 Waltz Professional Photography Softbox Lighting Kit. So I'm gonna unbox this, put it together, and then I'm gonna come back, see what these look like without the ring light. Right now I am shooting with the ring light on a warm tone, and gonna see what the studio box look like, and then we're gonna get right into the comparison. Alright, so I got the box open, and this is how it comes straight out the box. Has the Neewer carrier little package that comes with it. Okay, open it right up. Alright, first thing I see when I'm opening it is these additional carriers. Let's see what's in those. It's the actual umbrella thingy majiggy. We got that. And the little material you put on. Like I said, I'm not tech savvy, people. If I'm using the wrong words, then oh well. Hit up your tech savvy friend to hit me up and let me know what I should be saying. So then we have these two white boxes. I'm guessing these are what the lights are in. And I'm correct. Booyah. So these are the lights. They're huge. Oh wow. These are very huge lights. I'm gonna be very, very careful with those. And last but not least, last thing in it, and of course these are going to be the stands for the lights. So yeah, I'm going to hop into it, try to put this together by myself, and come back to you guys to see if there's a difference, or I know it's going to be a difference, but see which one is better, or if they work together better. Let's see guys. I'm excited about this experience. All right, so I put both of the studio lights together, and this is how they look. It did take like 15 minutes versus the ring light. It was a quick less than 5 minutes. So now we're gonna see what the studio box lights look like without the ring light on, and then we're gonna see what they both look like on, and then we're gonna compare the two. All right, so right now I have no lighting at all like I did with the ring light. I have two studio boxes with the ring light in the middle, so we're gonna see with just one studio box what it looks like without anything going. Woo, okay. I'm loving and I keep saying studio box lights, but I think they're called soft box lights. I don't know, but yeah, so this is just with one on, no ring light. And then we're gonna try the second box light. Wow, I'm in love. Like, I don't know if I like the softbox lights better or the ring light, but we're gonna try both of them together to see if it's just like a masterpiece after that, okay? So this is the two softbox lights on, and then this is the softbox lights with the ring light on. Wow, so this is all three lights on. This is the regular setting for the ring light. When you first turn it on, no cool temperature, no warm temperature, just as soon as you put it on, this is how it looks. So, like I said, this is all 3 lights. I'm going to dim it down with the warm lights to see what it looks like with the softbox. So this is like the warm tone with the softbox included. And I really like all 3 together. Like, I think I'm gonna shoot all my videos with all 3 lights and be extra like, what is it giving? Is it giving glow? Oh my gosh, I love it so much. I love it so much. Okay, so just to do another comparison, I'm gonna do the ring light from when you first put it on and then add in the studio box lights. Woo. Okay, so this is the ring light by itself, no cool temperature or anything, and then I'm gonna add the box lights. Love it. I mean, look how clear it is. I mean, you can see every little detail of my skin in the focusing. So all in all, I like both of the lights. I mean, which one you think is better, or if you think they work both collectively to make me look like a superstar. And that's all. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, Kiss My Ego. Once again, like, comment, subscribe, and tell me what you think. Both of, hold on, let me make sure. What is these things called? I'm calling them studio box lights, soft box lights. And did you turn it up? What are you doing?
It's on.
But did you just turn it on, or cause
turn it on?
It started getting like blue. Okay, do it over. Turn it off. All right.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, why do I keep saying studio light? Turn it back off. Chick want studio light so bad. Like, what is that?
Girl, don't leave out the ring light.
Okay. Like I said.